Hello, my loves, and welcome back. For today, we are making spaghetti with smoky bacon, sausage, and Parmesan cheese. So my husband was like, "Oh, babe, I'm hungry. It's like 10 something in the evening, so I'm whipping something really quick." So we got some spaghetti, my loves. I have some Parmesan cheese. Okay, we have some fresh basil. I have some sausages, any kind of sausage you have, all right? I have a little bit of butter. I'm not using that whole block. I have some onions. I have some applewood smoked bacon. This is like the star, okay? That's the star. I have some red pepper flakes, some dry Italian seasoning, a little bit left over, some complete seasoning, and some chicken bouillon flavoring, and some sweet peas, okay? So my loves, we are boiling our pot of water right here. I'm putting a little bit of oil in the water because I don't want the noodles to stick together. And we're gonna also salt our water, okay? It's important to salt your water when you are making pasta, okay? You gotta put enough salt up in there. And my loves, the ingredients are listed in the in the description box below. Okay, I'm human, I make mistakes. Anyway, so guys, we're cutting up our sausage and into little pieces. So it's like 10 o'clock at night right now, and my husband was like, "Babe, I'm hungry." I'm like, "Listen, I'm not in the mood to cook." But he kept nagging. I said, "Okay, fine." So I took what I could find in my kitchen. Guys, I didn't even have garlic, so I had to use something that had garlic. So of course I gotta go food shopping, y'all. But guys, get that garlic, okay? If you like garlic, get that garlic. So we're taking some of our apple smoked bacon. That's really, really good. And we're cutting that into pieces as well, okay? If you want to add peppers, go ahead and add peppers. I didn't have peppers in my house either. Listen, it's all right because that means I just gotta go and do some food shopping. Okay, this is one of those last minute creations. Okay, all right, and now we're cutting up our onion. I love onions, lots and lots of onions. Okay. And guys, it's about using what you have, you know. Of course, this would be fabulous with some garlic. I'm a garlic lover, okay? So definitely kick out your garlic. If you have peppers, go ahead, you know. But I was trying to keep this as simple as possible, okay? So I'm just taking off the skin off the onion. And these last minute dishes, guys, be the greatest, okay? So I got a hot pot right here. Kick out my hot pot on medium high heat, and I'm adding my bacon, okay? And the goal here, guys, is to brown on bacon and get that fat, okay? Now, this is gonna release a lot of fat. So, what you can do if you like, if you don't want all that fat in there, you are going to remove at least half of that fat, okay? I get it. I'm not saying to eat this every day because this is not the healthiest. Can it be made healthy? Yeah, you could add turkey bacon, I guess, you know, because you want that smoky flavor, you know, for this. I mean, if you want to use turkey bacon, I guess you can, you know, but I'm using pork bacon, okay? It's going to give me that fat. Don't do this every day. I don't want none of y'all trying to say she trying to give me high cholesterol. No, I'm not. So I'm letting you know, do not do this every day, okay? So I want to render that fat, okay? I want to get as much of that fat, and we want to crisp it up, okay? And as you can see all that fat. Now at this point, my loves, if you want to get rid of it, I'm going to add onions and stuff, so it's going to soak up a lot of that fat. But at this point, if you want to get rid of some of that fat, I totally get it. So now we're adding up our cut up sausage, okay? You could use any sausages you choose, okay? And I'm sauteing that right in the pot that has that bacon fat, okay? All right, and that's the bacon fat has that smoky flavor, you know, and that's what I want to coat my noodles, you know. That's what you want, along with that Parmesan cheese. Now, if you even have great fresh Parmesan cheese that you can grate into this, that's even better. Okay, but Jackie didn't have that. She had the one that's in the bag. So now I'm adding my sliced up onions, okay? And that's adding flavor. And the onions that's thrown up in there with that bacon fat, OMG. That's all I gotta say. Beautiful, beautiful aroma. Okay. And this didn't take long to make. It's 1, 2, 3. Now I'm adding some red pepper flakes. Okay. I'm adding red pepper flakes. I thought I had black pepper. I didn't have no black pepper in my cupboard either, y'all. And that's okay. I gotta go out and get some black pepper. Okay? A girl gotta go out and do some more food shopping. That's all. All right? Now, with your garlic, guys, at this point, you add your garlic in here too. But keep in mind, you don't want to burn your garlic. So I would add the garlic at the last minute when you're getting ready to add your noodles. So, you know, now I'm adding my complete seasoning and my chicken bouillon. Add a little bit at a time, guys. You don't need a lot. And the reason why I say this is because, A, keep in mind you salted your water, okay? You also have salt coming from the Parmesan cheese. You got salt that's from the bacon. So be mindful of that, okay? You could always add a little bit. It's better to add a little bit than to add a lot, because you will have a salty mess. Okay? So, I would definitely add, because you don't want to burn your garlic. Burnt garlic is not good, okay? It doesn't taste cute. So the garlic, I would add like 2 minutes or 3 minutes before I add my pasta, all right? So I have my water rolling here, boiling, and I'm adding my pasta, okay? And I'm just checking that right now. Just making sure all those noodles are submerged in our water. Okay, and just cook this according to the box, you know. I don't like, I like my pasta to have a little to be al dente, because I'm just gonna stir it in here for a few minutes in the pot, you know, so it'll finish cooking in the pot with the sausage and the bacon and all that stuff, okay? So our pasta is done, okay? And I'm taking it straight from the water and adding it right into the pot, because we're gonna use some of that pasta water, guys. Okay, we are definitely going to use, so I'm taking the pasta straight from the water, from the pot, and adding it straight into my other pot, because we are going to need some of that pasta water, so don't throw it all out, okay? Because that's going to help create a little, it's going to give us the base for our Parmesan cheese to melt, okay? To create a little kind of coat, to create a coating, okay? So here it is, my Parmesan, okay, that I have here from the bag. If you have fresh Parmesan, baby, do you. Baby, do it, okay? But I didn't have fresh Parmesan. Okay? Because that water, that pasta water, is gonna help mix with the Parmesan cheese so we could have a nice coating for our pasta. It's a nice thick cheesy coating, all right? And my loves, if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. I'm adding my sweet peas. That's optional if you don't want to. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to press that like button, guys. Give me a thumbs up. And share. Let everybody know about Jackie's cooking. All right? Now I'm adding some Italian herbs here, that dried Italian herbs. Okay? Like I said, the peas are optional. But I love peas and something like this because it gives it color. And I like the sweetness of the peas in contrast with this. Okay? And what's happening right now, guys, is that cheese. You see the little strings of the Parmesan cheese in here too. Oh my God. I'm adding a little bit more of that pasta water. That's why you shouldn't throw it all out, because you're going to need that to help create the coating, the cheesy coating. Okay, and you're gonna toss this in here for like only a few minutes, guys. You don't need to do a lot. Now we're just putting this all together and marrying everything together. I'm adding some of my fresh basil in here. All right. And guys, I'm going to add, I think I had added a little pat of butter earlier. But the reason why I had added that butter, guys, a little bit just to make the sauce a little bit more richer. Okay? All right, and now we're plating our pasta. OMG, OMG, OMG. Look at that. This is for my husband. I can't eat this. I probably could have like 1 or 2 bites and that's about it. Top it off with some cut up fresh basil. Okay. Honey. Now doesn't that look good? Guys, try this recipe. Let me tell you, it is so good. Okay, you have got to try this. You've got to try this. And guys, I need you to eat, love, and pray. Bye.